In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a new Blazor WebAssembly application, reference the DevExpress NuGet feed, and add a DevExpress Blazor component. First, ensure that your system meets the following requirements: the latest Visual Studio 2019 version with the ASP.NET and web development workload, .NET Core 3.1.3 SDK or later. You can download it on the Microsoft website. Let's start by creating a new Blazor project. Select the Blazor app, give it a name and location, and click Create. The DevExpress Blazor suite supports both server and WebAssembly apps. In this tutorial, we'll create a Blazor WebAssembly app. For more information on how to create a Blazor server app, follow the link in the upper right corner. DevExpress Blazor components are distributed as NuGet packages. Go to nuget.devexpress.com, log in as a registered DevExpress customer, and click Obtain Feed URL to retrieve your personal link to our NuGet feed. In Visual Studio, go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager Settings, and navigate to NuGet Package Manager, Package Sources. Click the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new NuGet package source. Specify the NuGet feed name and paste your personal link to our NuGet feed into the source field. Let's make sure the NuGet.org package source is also enabled. Now select Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Manage NuGet Packages for Solution to manage NuGet packages for your solution. Select the newly created DevExpress NuGet package source and install the DevExpress.Blazor NuGet package. Make sure that the checkbox Include Pre-Releases is unchecked. Tick the checkbox in front of your application name and click Install to install the latest release package version. Now let's build a project. Add the following line to the index.html file. Call the builder.services.addDevExpress method from your project's program.main method. Register DevExpress.Blazor namespace in imports.razor file. And add the content to the index.razor file. I've added the DateEdit component with the current date selected. When I run the app, you'll see our date editor appear. And that's it for this video. To learn more about our Blazor controls, you can watch more of our videos or visit the documentation on our website. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified anytime we have new content. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.